Hey guys, this is MTB Tech, and today we're unboxing Yakuza Like a Dragon Xbox game. I bought the steel book version, and so I decided maybe you want to look at it. So here we go. Let's open the wrapping. I really want to try this game. This real JRPG game. Okay, that's that. In this box, just a game. They each edition with lots of legendary costume sets. What else? Optimized for Xbox Series X, of course. Just a simple wrapping. And here it is. Here's the box itself. It's the steel box. Looking quite nice. The certificate. Let's get that off. Get that off. And let's put it inside in the box. Ooh, we got a sticker. Ria ga Gotoku Studio sticker. It was not a toy, not suitable for kids younger than 3 years old. Okay, here's the disc itself. Here's the disc itself. Ryo ga Gotoku. Legends costume pack. The manual. And that's it. Just the box itself. Damn, it looks so good. Nice. Nice. I like steel boxes. And there's, of course, just a CD. Take a look at the user manual. Oh, that's just the customer support. There's no user manual. Like it used to be. Like it used to be. Okay, that was MDP Tech, an unboxing of Yakuza Like a Dragon game on Xbox One, Series X, and Series S. Bye!